Hey, Paul from Journey of a Petrolhead. Now, today we're looking at the door card in the MGB. And the problem here is, that's it, the passenger window doesn't want to go down. So I think the regulator has slipped behind all this. So we've got to take the door card off before we do anything else. So let's show you how we take the door card off first. I'll trust you a little screwdriver. We start off with the door capping. So there's a screw here and a screw here and a screw here. And there should be another screw there, but there isn't. Take that off first. That's quite straightforward. Trying to lose the screws because they're fiddly little things. And they're actually tiny screws. You'd expect big long screws holding the door card, and they're just not. They're small. Kind of screws you're guaranteed to lose. And just lift the door card away once she's unscrewed. That's it. I made the door capping, obviously. Now, what you can see with these door cappings, in case you actually ever want to replace one, right? What you do literally is you undo the staples on the inside here. Okay. Take the cover off. And you're good to go. You can actually unscrew these parts as well. So the whole thing will come away. And they're actually quite easy to recover because of that. Now, what else do we need to do? We still can't get to the regulator. So now we've got to lose this and this and this. We've got to lose a couple of things here. So let's start with the longer screw for this. I'll start with this guy. It's actually loose already, which is interesting. The handle just comes off. Okay. And then your door handle, and this is just two screws holding it in, but the back one there isn't angled too well. Okay, that's the handle, put that in there. Now, the window winder is really quite simple to take off in these. You literally just unscrew the handle. It just lifts off. Okay. Just remember, it was in the down position. Okay, now this bit is the only bit left. What you have to do here, there's a slight split either side of the plastic. You literally just leave that off. We get the flat blade driver. There we go. Literally slides down and slides up. Okay, is that done? Now the door card should just lift off. This side. Oh, it's hard to get in though. Okay, and then The bottom part now is tricky. You gotta be careful with the bottom part, you don't want to wreck anything. There we go. That's the door card off. Let's start there. Up until now, that's how we take the door card off the MGB. It's really quite simple. So remove the door capping, remove the handle, remove the winder, slide the plastic off, top and bottom, door card will then clip off. Alright, thanks guys, see you next time.